Hazrat Sahal bin Sa'ad radiyallahu anhu narrates that a woman visited Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I have come to you just to present myself to you. So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam cast his glance at her, observing her from top to toes, and then lowered his head. When she realized that he sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not take any decision about her, she sat down. Then one of his companions got up and submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, if you do not need her, marry her to me. Thereupon he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Do you have anything? He submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, nothing. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Go to your household and search to find anything. He went away, and when he came back, he submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I have got nothing. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Search again, though you may find an iron ring. So he again went away, and after coming back, he submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, there is not even an iron ring, but I have found this wrapper. Hazrat Sahal says he did not have even a sheet. So he said, half of it is for the woman. Thereupon Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, What will she do of this wrapper? If you wear it, there will remain nothing of it for the woman. And if she puts it on, there will not remain a bit of it over you. So that man sat down, kept sitting for a long time, and then got up. When Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam saw him going, turning his back, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam passed orders for him. So he was called back. When he had come, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, How much of the Quran have you learnt? He submitted, Such and such chapters, and then counted them. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Have you learnt them by heart? He replied, In the affirmative. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, Go, I have given her in your possession in exchange of the Quran you have memorized. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5126.